It's here. It's here. It's finally here. The 2000 giveaway is going to happen right now. I wrote down the names of everyone who correctly commented on the video. If you don't hear your name called, go back and watch the entire video before you comment, and you'll see why your name wasn't called. Or you can just read the other comments and you'll notice one word everybody has in common, because I had a code word in there. So the first person is Ann Aubrey. And then I have Paula Widener, Box House Creations, Miss Arlene, Cheshire Cat 1956, Trucker Janie, Miss Jody, Miss Val, who I am going to call Hilda because I'm still not sure what the last part of that name is, Granny Smith's house. So let's get all of these folded and in the jar. Oh yes, I'm going to drag it out. Here's Miss Val going in. That was Granny Smith's house just went in. Here's Jody going in. Trucker Janie's going in. Cheshire Cat 1956 is going in. Arlene is going in. Box House Creations is going in. Paula Widener is going in. And Ann Aubrey is going in. Alright, the next sheet of participants who correctly commented on the video is Margaritas This and That, Kitty Sam's World, Mom Knows Treasures, Lala Gamma, Knits Z, Marsha, Kiki, and Christine E. So let's put in Christine, Kiki, Marsha, Mitzi, Lala Gamma, Mom Knows Treasures, Kitty Sam's World, Margaritas This and That. Had a lot of comments. There weren't that many that did not correctly comment. So, well, a few of you didn't watch the whole video. Gloria's Craft Halls, B&D Crafts Brian, Candace Estrada, Laura Vasquez, Melody Mays, Sarita Sells, Ozark Mary, and Kelly Santee Designs. Here goes Ozark Mary. That's not a real channel, but it's too long to write. But it's Mary. Kelly Santee. Sarita Sells. And make sure it was one page. Melody Mays. Laura Vasquez, Candace Estrada, and you need to watch this one to the end too, to know how to claim your prize if you win. Brian, and Gloria's Craft Halls. And the last sheet is Susie Bratu, also the Bargain Hunter, Robin's Nest of Crafts, Carrie Hogan, Jubilation Lang, Cindy N, Crazy May Stash, and Valerie M. And again, if you did not hear your name called, you might want to go back and see what was the secret word you had to use in your comment. Because there may be more giveaways with secret words in them. Oops, I forgot. I don't know who that was. Alright, this one's Robin's Nest of Crafts. Carrie Hogan. Jubilation Lang. Cindy N. Crazy May Stash. Valerie M. I think it's Mahor, something like that. Mahor. I don't know. Maybe the H is pronounced like a J. Maybe it's major. And Susie Bratu. 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 So, let's give you all a good shake. Are you feeling the pain yet? Are you sick yet? Let's see if I can get one to come out. Well, I got a bunch. I'm going to take this one right here. And the winner is... Kiki! You won! That's Kathleen Robinson. Email me, and I'm going to put my email down below in case you don't remember it. But email me so that I can email you the codes for a $25 Amazon gift card. And stay tuned, guys. There will be more giveaways coming up on my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.